Meet Alistair from Loyalist College. Hi, Alistair.
Hi, Ganga. Thank you so much for having us here. We really appreciate the pedestal that you've given us today. Thank you.
Thanks, Alistair. Please tell students why they should choose Loyalist as a study destination.
Certainly, Loyalist College is a public institution. We were established in the year 1967. It is located in the Ontario province in a city called Belleville, which is conveniently positioned between international trade destinations like Toronto and Ottawa. Belleville is approximately like 2 hours east of Toronto by road. The college is beautifully wooded 200-acre campus, which lies within close proximity to shopping centers, housing, dining, entertainments of all kind. In terms of the programs, Loyalist College offers around 70 full-time programs that delves into all fields of study and learning, from sort of business studies to building sciences and programs in media studies, which we specialize, and trade skill programs to health sciences, and of course, community and wellness. And we have a host of PG program options that essentially is viable both academically and professionally in Canada and across the globe as well. So we at Loyalist try to cater to a myriad of study options for students to choose from, of course, keeping in mind our focus to help achieve student success, following the path of a smaller class size and deliver a qualitative sort of personalized learning approach with a highly experienced faculty. So our focus is being like a vital conduit to help potential students achieve their academic credential in the best possible way we can, Ganga. So that's about us, really.
That's great. Tell us about the quality of education online that the students are going to be experiencing.
Perfect. This September, Loyalist will offer sort of blended program delivery, including a combination of, let's say, in-person classes for some programs. Of course, it has to be permitted by healthcare officials, which we will certainly keep parallel with. There will be sort of remote delivery for other programs as well. Now, these are interim measures until it's safe for all of us to return to campus. What blended means is basically their courses, due to the current circumstances, are being delivered remotely, but also have content hours delivered face-to-face model on campus as well. So remote, on the other hand, on the contrary, is courses due to the current circumstances, again, are being delivered 100% remotely using technology as well, which to basically let you know in terms of how it works with Loyalists, we've been a leader in sort of distance education, and our remote classes will be very engaging and sort of interactive online as they are in person as well. So we have exceptional faculty staff who are very experienced as well, that will go above and beyond to sort of help you individually and leverage your strengths and offer supports where you need them. So we've heard from our current international students, Ganga, who have told us that their alternative delivery experiences, whether it is remote delivery or blended, has been exceptional. And we would never compromise on a, let's say, superior quality academics delivery, or let's say support services as well.
Wow, that's awesome. You guys are very well known for the information that you give students before you start your program. Tell us something about it this
Thank you
time.
so much. It's very kind of you to say that as well. And once, how it works in terms of information is, once a student sort of confirms an offer with us, we'll be reaching out to them via email to sort of introduce ourselves, our faculty, staff, and sort of confirm details about our program delivery methods as well. We will also ask how, best that we can support these students, whether that's by connecting them with sort of an English student mentor, especially when it comes to online, and sharing information on our ESL supports, or even sort of assisting them with sort of registration details, etc. Because some of the students would be sort of alien to this online learning or remote delivery, or even, let's say, blended, and we will try to offer you the best support that we can. So we're making arrangements that we have faculty and Loyalist team members to assist students in a very, very effective manner, Ganga.
Okay, so what is this support that you're talking about? What kind of support will they get?
Certainly. So even before sort of students start arriving in Canada or start online studies, they will have met faculty and sort of friends, their peers, student peers as well, who care about them and will go the distance to sort of help them throughout their journey to achieve their career destination. As an international students, all supports are included and readily available to them prior to them either traveling to Canada to Loyalist in Belleville. And during this time of transition, and always, Loyalist is there to support them with their studies in Canada, even when it comes to certain aspects relating to immigration. As a small and caring college, we will never lose that personal touch, for students to have that with Loyalist, and that is what we are well known for, Ganga. And that's what we will cater to them and provide them this continuous support, because of the fact that we're a small college, but very, very effective in our methods in reaching out to students, whether professionally, academically, or personally for that matter.
Talking of the personal touch, tell the students something about the Can-Am and Loyalist relationship.
That's a very, very good question. And one of the reasons why we at Loyalist, and I personally am here to basically talk about Loyalist, is because of the fact that, Can-Am has been an absolutely brilliant and top agent for Loyalist. We've been working with you guys for well over 5 years now. And it's not only quantity of students that we get from you guys, we get highly qualitative students, which is great for us, because if you look at the, KPI aspect for an institution, we are about 88.5% as of now, and it's only thanks to agents like yourself, Can-Am, adding to a very robust and qualitative student force that is coming into the college, sharing that and encountering that experiential learning with us, and giving back to Canada as a country, as an economy, with a robust and qualitative student force into the labor market. So we're very indebted to the efforts that you guys have continuously put in to give us qualitative students, and we look forward to a whole lot more, because we always have that faith in you guys, just as you guys have faith in us. And it takes two hands to clap, and yes, we are making use of that in a very effective manner. So all thanks to Can-Am for their wonderful efforts to add to Loyalist's credentials in the Indian market and abroad. And we really, really appreciate and are very indebted towards that, and towards Can-Am and yourself as well, Ganga. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Alistair. That was truly very nice of you to say such kind words. Thank you.
Thank you.